This is a part 2 video to the brand new YouTube features setting in 2020 for your channel. If you haven't watched part 1 as yet, then please do so, maybe after this video or even before watching this video. So in this video, I'm going to dive into more details. I am going to show you how I look at my audience retention for my videos on YouTube. Now this video you're looking at here is showing the audience retention of my video that I did about YouTube Shorts. Okay, this video gained 82 views at the moment of publish. Okay, and the audience retention was 38.3%. But here you can see the graph that shows you even more details, in-depth details of where your viewers are watching your video. First, you've got the intro, and a lot of my viewers were watching this video at the very beginning. Then you've got the continuous segment, and this segment is where a lot of people were watching the video without dropping off. The third segment has to do with spike. This is where a whole lot of viewers were watching my video, and here you can actually play it to see.
Short videos? The answer is yes. Anyone can upload short videos.
Now this video explaining about shorts on YouTube has a timestamp feature, and right here you can see where there's 2 dips in the video.
Also shorts in your tag as well. So how do you upload YouTube Shorts video to YouTube?
So as you can see, there was a dip, 2 dips right there, but this is where a lot of people was actually watching this video.
Went viral, and you can see that he's got like 100 and something thousand subscribers, but yet still he has several million views on each of his short videos.
So what I would say is, a lot of the viewers like to see examples showcasing why shorts was perfect for their channel and why shorts was perfect at this time to gain views, because there is examples of other channels who gain views using short videos. So here I am going to show you a bit of where the search came in, where my views came from for this video that we looked at. The traffic source, some of the traffic came from my channel page. Most of the traffic came from my channel page. And then you could see YouTube search in there. You can see that also some of the traffic came from Facebook. Facebook is number 1 in this one here, because that is where I promote most of my videos. You can see the impression on this video is 334 people, and I gained 25 views from YouTube showing it. The click-through rate on this video was good as well, and because it's been shown to a small amount of people, then I only gain a small amount of views, but still this is one of the most watched videos on my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you next time.